In this video, we are going to know that what is the best time to grow Gazania flowers, means all about the growing season of Gazania flowers. So let's straight jump into the video. First thing you need to know is that Gazania plant is a hardy, easy to grow, sun-loving plant that can be grown from seeds in the starting winters, when the temperature is about 25 to 35 degrees. At this temperature range, the seeds will germinate very healthily. The Gazania flowers are one of the most easiest seasonal plants to grow, that have lots of colors, and they also grow very fastly when the spring season starts. Their flowers bloom from the sunny morning until the light falls on their shiny flowers, and this way they can bloom for 5 to 7 days very easily. If we talk about their color ranges, the Gazania flowers come in many colors that are really very beautiful. Their flowers doesn't have any smell, but their sun-loving beauty is endless. They can be grown as permanent flowering plants, if summers are not so much burning on your side. They can bear up to 42 degrees of temperature, but more than that can be harmful. But they are mostly grown as seasonal flowering plants in a 𝘾𝙝 climate. Their flowers are sun-sensitive. It is highly essential to place them in a bright, well-lit area. It helps the bloom to expand itself. They became a little stressed in the hard winter days, when temperature falls up to 10 degrees. But it is not a killing temperature, because they can bear low temperature environment very easily. In the late winters, as the temperature starts rising, the Gazania flowers also starts blooming very heavily. Their main season of growth is springs, when temperature is highly favorable for them. So if you want to buy some of the Gazania flower plants from the nursery, then the early spring days are the best time to enjoy their finest beauty. Seasonal flowering plants have a trait that they grow very well when their blooming time is going on. They produces lots of flowers in the springs up to May month. And then as the temperature keeps on rising, the Gazania flowers also became stressed. They can also grow in summers, but you have to place them under a shade, away from burning sun. Summer season is the hard time for them, but you can save them from the heat by watering regularly and protecting them from the sun. I have some very informative videos in the description box that you can watch to know more about these beautiful flowers. Gazania plant is a very easy to grow plant that you must grow in your garden. So this is the whole video. Hope you find this helpful. And if you want to know how to grow lots of Gazania flowers, check out this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.